True Zoom World Cinema. My name is Richard, Director of Training, and today we'll be going over the LG set-top box that you will find in your guest rooms. Here's an example of a LG 5500 model. You can see, and here are the component cables that are needed for connection to the TV and the set-top box. So you have a power supply, an MPI cable, the COAX line, an HDMI cable. So we'll start off with the HDMI cable. As you can see, there's HDMI 1, 2, and HDMI out. The 1 and 2 are inputs, and the HDMI out is for the connects to the TV. Occasionally, I guess we'll have a game system and it'll go into HDMI 1. Next is your coax line. This will provide the channels to your TV. It screws into antenna cable in. Make sure it's nice and tight. The other end runs to the wall, the coax line out of the wall. Next you have the MPI cable. This is for the remote, so the remote control passes through the TV to the set-top box to turn it on. There are two connections on here, an external MPI control and an MPI television control. Make sure you get it into the MPI television control port. And it clicks in, the other end plugs into the back of the TV. Next we have a power supply, and that'll plug in to provide the box power. Last part required is either an LG remote or a World Cinema remote to power on the TV and the set-top box.